I'm fine, thank
तो फिर अभी recently अभी आपका एक new movie आ रहा है sir. How are you sir? Like feeling afraid, nervous?
you. Well, no, not nervous, but I'm already very happy because people have appreciated this song Shamo Seher, which is the only romantic song in the film,
Right.
very well picturized, and I've seen the picturizing. And it's a difficult film because it's a riot-based film interwoven with a love story moving inside it. So very less scope of giving a romantic song, but this was the situation that we had, and I'm very happy that the radio and the papers, Times of India has rated it well and said the song is nice. So I'm very happy that the newer generation is liking this song very much.
So we've basically seen you in type of romantic songs, like for doing it for Shah Rukh Khan, for doing it for romantic films, right?
Bilkul.
All over the ages, the people have loved your romantic voice, etc.
Absolutely.
So how did you frame your mind to give it a bit of different kind of genre for this movie, sir?
Well, the film-based music always depends on the kind of film you're doing and the situations that is at hand. And a composer has to be versatile and fit himself into the situations that are there in the film. I find the qawwali kind of music very difficult to do, but yet I delivered the Sarfarosh qawwali, Zindagi Maut Na Ban Jaye. So there is a variety of music that is there in my heart, and because I've done music for years and years now, and have delivered some of the biggest musical hits in the country. दिलवाले दुल्हनिया कुछ कुछ होता है, मोहब्बतें, जो जीता हुआ सिकंदर, many films in fact.
Right. So as you came into this field, right? The first teacher for your father by itself, right? Your father taught you.
Yes, absolutely. I've learned music from my father, and I belong from a musical family. I belong from Mewati Gharana. My uncle Pandit Jasraj is a legend and veteran in classical, and we belong from that generation of people. And luckily, I belong from a family which is a family of singers.
Right.
And no wonder that many of the singers who have sung for us have won their best award singing the Jatin Lalit song, name it Alka Yagnik, Udit Narayan, Abhijit, who sang many songs for us, his life's best songs, and Kumar Sanu. And also I would say that the person that the industry loves the most, the veteran Saraswati Lata Mangeshkar, one of her greatest album is Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. So I hold that a great respect for that kind of music that we have done.
So in terms of composing, right, who inspires you a lot, sir, for this composing, right?
Well, I've heard very different. I'm a very avid listener. As a child, I was never without a headphone, and I've heard a lot of music. And naturally, all that music you have heard influences the kind of music that you do.
Right.
And because hearing is a very good thing, I'm full with music.
Right. So
it's only in recent years that I don't get to hear music so much because I have to compose so much.
Right.
But having heard a lot of music has really influenced my listening, and I've loved the Indian composers. I think we have had some of the best composers in the world, and I hold them at a very high esteem because of such extraordinary talent the country has produced. S.T. Burman, Madan Mohan, Salil Chaudhary, and R.D. Burman, Lakshmikant Parila ji, Kalyan ji Anand ji.
So, sir, in your young age, sir, which was the singer that you used to admire the most, sir?
Well, I think it was always Kishore Kumar.
Kishore Kumar.
Kishore Da was the best.
So, which one is your favorite song from Kishore Kumar that you always used to hear, and even you hear it right now?
No, I can't say this because whenever I travel long distances, I have Kishore Da and Lata Mangeshkar playing in my car.
That's great, sir. That's great, right? So, can you give us a little more light, like how you sit in your home, and what are the like key points that you use while you're composing a song, sir?
Well, I have a very dedicated team of assistants who sit with me, and we keep composing and we keep recording at my studio, and we keep developing tracks, and there's a very beautiful stock of music that I have. The moment I get a very good and big film, I'm sure we will hit the mark as a team.
Right.
And what is important in music is having a good team of dedicated people who believe in your music and keep working at you. and I've never changed my team. I have the same team that I had in Jo Jeeta Vai Sikandar,
I got it.
and I have the same team right now, and they're very dedicated and very wonderful musicians.
Right, that trust should be there. between
Yeah,
two people,
so,
right, working together.
And I'm there myself, so they believe in me, and I believe that things will happen, and that is the key. They inspire me. I sit with them, and we make songs, and we tell openly कि इस phrase को change कर देना चाहिए, इसको करना चाहिए.
Right,
So that openness is there, and we all enjoy music, and
right.
that's
If they don't like it, they open up.
yeah,
and
absolutely.
say
Let's
to
try
you.
something here. So we're a very friendly, brotherly team. There's no boss here.
Right, sir. So like when this the new film that is coming down in the market today, that is Shorewell, right?
True.
It has a different kind of background, right? So when the director came ahead and approached you, so what was the main point that you thought that you should do this film? You should create some songs for this film. You should compose some songs for this film.
Well, the director of this film, Pranav Singh, जिनका नाम P Singh आ रहा है, he's the actual director of the film,
Yes.
has sat with me and worked wonderful tunes we worked. In fact, we worked a lot of option for each tune, and then mutually decided कि ये situation में अच्छा जाता है.
Right.
And because he had faith and confidence in me, he took my word that when I said ki, I think this gives me a little more scope to do better than the other tune. But what we did was we made options for each thing.
Right.
And the only song that was difficult for me to do was the Kapil Sibal written Mast Mast Hawa, because this was the only song in the film where I had to work on the lyrics.
Right.
कपिल साहब ने लिखा उसको और उसको मैंने उस पे ट्यून बनाई.
Work on,
But I prefer making the tune and making the writers work on it.
work on it, right? And
So हाँ, तो Shamo Seher was first composed and then written by Sameer ji. So that's the key to my success of working, and Sameer ji wrote it very well. We have done several films together. He's a veteran writer.
right, right,
So I'm glad the people are enjoying the song.
right. So as like we see young talent coming through, right? But the main key of the classical singing is lost somewhere, right? Now the people are more going into some Punjabi songs, rap songs, and the like Western songs, the English songs, etc.
So whom do you blame for that for? To the
Not
composer or the director?
No, not actually blaming, but like the thing is, the classical, the Indian is known for the classical music, right?
Ji.
And the ancient music that comes through from the old evergreen singers, right? So where do you see the taste is going, like for the youngsters?
Well, the youngsters will take what is given to them. They are not saying us to make music. The directors are saying. So
Right,
it's the director who has to visualize what he wants and create situation. Why see Sanjay Bansali's film? And he does different music. He involves a lot of classical music, though I'm sure he doesn't know classical music by himself.
right,
But he involves. He tries to hear and get
To
things
capture the
assembled and do whatever he does. It's wonderful that he finally ends up with good music.
Something
That is
right.
important, and no matter how it happens, but it can happen if the director wants it.
right.
There are very wonderful, talented composers. We've always had talented composers. It's the director who has to ask because I've worked with Sanjay Bansali. I know Khamoshi I had done wonderful music we had, and that is how things happen. You need to have a musical director who understands a little bit of music and has time enough to give to a composer and sit with him to make good music.
Absolutely great, sir. And so, like, which is your favorite composing gig? Like, which genre you like to work more?
I like to work youthful music, the newer kind of music, the newer sounds, and I like to make songs which people will not forget soon.
Right.
I like songs that have long longevity. The people will hear it for a long time, and whenever they hear over the years also, will appreciate it. Oh, sounds like a good song.
Right, right.
That
All
that
your
appeals to me.
songs, all through your future with the same ones. I can let it be the Shah Rukh Khan films, or let it be any films. Like anytime the song comes and anybody says, "Yeah, love comes in the heart," right, sir?
And also there has to be an identity of music. People when they hear it, they must say, "Yes, this music belongs to such and such composer."
Right, right, sir. Right. That is there. So how do you balance your musical career with your own family, sir?
My family loves music. I have 2 sons and a daughter. My daughter sings very well, and my eldest son is learning music, and the younger son has recently sung for a film of mine called Pampapur Ki Ram Leela. It's a children film. Javed Akhtar Saab has written the songs. So because we have a lineage of music happening in the family, it's not very unusual for our children to be singing or playing instruments. You don't have to teach them, it comes very naturally to them. It's genetic. So my sons are also in love with music, and I don't push them, but yes, I give them enough trainers to balance them with their studies, and we leave it to the future. I don't want to push my children. We should never push them. I mean, they'll do whenever the time comes. But I'm sure that music will be part of their lives too.
Right, sir. So, like, basically, like, how would you like to encourage the upcoming singers who are actually a bit nervous? Sometimes they get failed, the songs get flopped, right? The new singers that come in this industry, how would you like to encourage them, sir?
I don't think so. The newer generation is nervous or anything. In fact, I find them very overconfident, which is a good thing. We were not so confident at our time when we started as college students making music. We were worried, and we didn't know where the life was going to taking us. We just kept working. But this generation is very confident, and the good thing is that there's a lot of work. There's a huge television work that requires music, and there is work for a lot of them. But yet I feel there is a lot of influx of singers from all over the world into India now, and it's a big market for sure. And I'm glad that a lot of work is coming into a lot of new singers and composers. So that's a good thing. But what I would want to see is more quality coming out from everyone.
Right, more homework to be done.
More homework and more freshness in composition and writing as well. Writing, I find it missing, because except for few writers who are doing very well, I like their way of writing. But still, the seniors like Javed and Gulzar Sahab have their own charm of writing. And I love Prasun's writing. Irshad Kamil बहुत अच्छे हैं. अमिताभ भट्टाचार्य बहुत अच्छा लिख रहे हैं. इनमें मजा है, मगर और जो राइटर्स हैं उनमें थोड़ी कमी नजर आती है मुझे.
So I'll just wrap it very soon, sir. So wish you great success for your upcoming films and for your upcoming future as well.
Thank you.